Hey, it's me, Say, from Blue Radical Apothecary, where we talk about all things herbal. Today we're diving into something every herbalist should know: how to blend your own herbal tea. All you need is a few jars, some herbs, and your taste buds. I'm excited you're here, so let's jump in. Why bother blending your own tea when you can just buy it? First, control. You get to choose every herb that goes into it, so no weird natural flavors or mystery ingredients. Second, potency. Fresh, well-stored herbs are stronger in both flavor and benefits than anything in a pre-packaged bag. And third, it's fun. Once you start blending, it's like being a DJ for your own digestive system. Your taste buds and your body both win. Here's my easy formula for blending tea. The base is 40 to 60% of your blend. This is your main herb, the one you'll taste most. Nettle, rooibos, or ocha are all classic base choices. The middle notes are 20 to 40%. These herbs add secondary benefits or flavor layers. Chamomile for relaxation, peppermint for digestion, hibiscus for a tangy zing. The high notes are 10 to 20%. These are your accents: rose petals, lavender, a pinch of cinnamon. They add aroma, flavor, and a little herbal pizzazz. 3 layers, endless possibilities. Start simple and then experiment as you go. Now, don't just toss herbs together and hope for the best. If you're making this tea for yourself, ask yourself a few questions. What do you want this tea to do? Sleep, digestion, energy, or skin glow? And how do you want it to taste? Earthy, floral, minty, fruity, or spicy? Are you going to be consuming this tea hot? Are you going to be consuming this tea cold? For example, if I'm making a skin support tea, I might do nettle as the base, burdock root in the middle, and rose petals as the high note. For a cozy evening blend, I might do rooibos base, chamomile and lemon balm in the middle, and lavender on top. Let's talk ratios and mixing. Measuring doesn't have to be complicated. Use tablespoons or kitchen scales, whatever you have. For a 100-gram batch, I usually do 60 grams base, 30 grams middle notes, and 10 grams high notes. Mix them together in a bowl, store it in an airtight jar away from heat and light, and boom, you've got your own custom tea blend. Different herbs need different brewing methods. Leafy and floral herbs like chamomile or peppermint steep 5 to 10 minutes in hot water. Roots like burdock or ginger simmer 15 to 20 minutes. That's called a decoction. Always taste as you go. You want your tea to be delicious and effective. And side note, make enough to fill a mug the size of your face. Trust me, you'll need it. Blending your own tea isn't just fun, it works. A digestion blend with peppermint and fennel can help reduce bloating after meals. A calming blend with chamomile and lemon balm can help you relax and sleep more soundly within a few weeks. And a skin support blend with nettle and burdock, consistent use may lead to clearer, more hydrated skin. The key is consistency. Herbal benefits show up over time, not instantly. And this is exactly why I created the Blue Botanical Portal, a place where you can learn how to use herbs effectively, get recipes, and finally feel confident making your own blends without feeling lost. If you want a ready-to-go tea blend, I added one into the description below. There's also tons of recipes and guides on the blog. So go ahead, start blending, experiment, and sip your way to better health. If you're ready for more herbalism, check out this video right here, and I'll see you there. Bye!